Get inspired by seeing fellow heroes apply AHK in everyday wins. The shared stories alone make membership a no-brainer. Score 3 hours of weekly Zoom magic, 2 on Friday, 1 on Saturday, with live lessons, pro tips, and one-on-one fixes to supercharge your skills. Now, earlier I had a call, just FYI, I was talking to my buddy Ryan, and he brought up something, and I'm like, it's really interesting point that was a subtle thing is with AutoHotkey, we can automate stuff like back to Windows XP and Windows 7 and 8 and 10 and 11, and it's really stable, right? And what I found really interesting, I hadn't really thought about it, is when you do stuff with Python, you're usually using Python code, and the Python code might change or might have different things with it. With AutoHotkey, AutoHotkey is masking using most of the time using Windows API calls, right? And that's why it's so stable across different versions of Windows, because we don't have different Python code depending on your version of Windows, like Python does. We're just rerunning the Windows API calls, which thankfully have stayed very consistent over the years, right? Does that make sense?
Yep.
But I thought that was a really interesting point of selling point for using auto. Why stick with AutoHotkey? Well, one reason is even as Windows grows and changes, your code should still run, right, on the different versions, unless they do something crazy, which they seem to be doing lately. I thought that was an interesting. Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible.